So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the moon phase test filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effect gallery. Okay, here in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this in trending section. What you can do? Tap on the search button and search for moon phase. Okay, on the top row, this is the effect. Tap on it. Okay, you have to keep some birth dates. Let me keep some random birth dates. Okay, then press and hold the record button. Okay, this was the effect. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, what you can do? Go back. Go to your For You page and here search for moon phase test. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. You can tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. From there you can save it to your favorite and use the effect, or you can tap on any of this video. On the bottom left corner of the video you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. From here tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from For You page, what you can do? Let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filters. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.